Hi everyone, I'm here at the Levee in front of the Nest installation to talk to you about our Creative Streets program. Creative Streets is a space activation program which sees council partner with local artists and our community to reimagine and transform our streets, like the Nest project right here. This year there were two different rounds to this funding, Creative Streets After Dark and Quick Response Creative Streets. Nest is the first project to be installed for After Dark, and it's by local artist Bridget Taylor. It's here right now, behind me. The evenings are getting a little bit warmer, so hop in, go for a stroll and have a look. First project from the Quick Response Grants is Pandemical Habits, and you can see that on the walls at Talk and Maitland City Library. So drop into the library and have a look at Pandemical Habits. It was developed by two local artists to celebrate projects and initiatives that people undertook during lockdown in Maitland, local people. And stay tuned to the council social media page to see profiles of these individuals and their projects, and get a bird's eye view into some of our community members and what they're doing. We have some amazing talent here in Maitland, and it is great to be partnering with them to make our streets more exciting and interesting. There are more great projects underway and a number coming up. So keep an eye on our social media to keep up to date and pop over and tune into them. Times have been pretty hard during COVID-19 for everyone, but also for our artists. So this is an opportunity to celebrate them as they help bring our community together. Yeah, if you come down here at night, it's beautiful.